kay Goddess. Kay EJ. Sige na tayo. Doon na lang kami, ante. You say, today we will...
following me.
Yeah, you say, today we will celebrate Lola Merly's birthday.
It's my Lola's birthday today.
Oh, you go there. Usap na kayo. Oh, you go na there. There, in the middle, there. Oh, you play. Oh.
Ha? Ano pa? Bakit po? Huwag mo kasi magtagal.
Oh, who wants chips? That one. Lisa.
Masarap. Lisa, yummy. Yummy.
Pawis ka. Ang init. Si mother na lang, si tatay.
Galing simbahan.
Ah, nagsimba sila. Yay! Saya nila. Hindi, kasi syempre...
I don't know.
Hello guys!
Hello guys!
You
Today I'm eating.
Baby, you say Lola, Lola! Happy birthday, mother! Happy birthday, mother!
Wala ka doon.
Happy birthday, tayo.
Happy birthday, mother.
Thank you.
Uy, you bless.
Yan pala yung dalawa eh. This is so yummy.
Pwede na po eh.
Ready na.
Ay, yummy this. Sinuno. Sa holo.
Ayun siya.
Oh, yes. Ang dalawa. Magpa-picture tayo.
Kompleto na ba yun?
Kompleto na ba tayo, Peng? Meron pa ba ang dadating? Siya, Peng. Siya, Peng Yuri.
After we eat, let's go to church, Luisa.
O, sige, magpa-picture tayo.
Let's go to church.
Ayun kalamaris na.
Saan ko pipindit? Ay, nakastart na po siya.
Say happy birthday.
Ayan. Ano natin ito dito? Okay.
Opening prayer, Sedang.
Si Sensen.
Sedang.
Sensen.
Sino mag-pray?
O, yung pray si Intan. Okay, the Father, Son. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you for the
Thank you for the food.
stand up pay.
Say thank you for the food.
Stand up pay. Okay.
You pray.
Pray na.
Pray. Thank you for that.
Mag-pray na muna.
You don't pray. You pray. Oh, you pray na.
For that.
You pray.
Ano pa? Pray for...
Itabi mo na dito. Itabi mo. Ay, di ba ano natin yung cake? May small.
Thank you for the food.
Thank you for the
More help.
good health.
And then again. Ano ba?
In the name of the Father.
Father, Son.
Thank you, Lord. It's it na?
Okay.
Ay, meron pa?
Picture pa. Ayan. Ay, drinks.
So here, spice.
Ayan, tubig.
Oh, may chips dyan.
Tubig.
Ilang more chips? Bebe, tingin ka dyan. Kasi lang.
Oh, yung side.
Wala chips kinain.
Nakilap na eh. Yung kapita.
Your name.
My name is Louise.
Okay.
My mom's name is
Apa yung pancit sa Ben? Ay, tama.
Lalakit na tayo. Mama guys, my mom said, Mama Buddy.
Mama ba?
Mama Dad.
How about your dad? Daddy?
What's my name?
What's that?
Daddy Papa. Daddy Juke. And not Daddy Juke. Daddy Papa.
Yeah. Very good.
I'm
Say,
so
say
bad.
it's lunchtime.
It's my time.
Okay.
I'm going.
Ah! Kasi wish nila. Okay.
Thank you, Lord, sa mga blessings. Thank you. Salamat, mga anak ko.
Birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Happy graduation din, anak. Thank you, Ezra. Happy graduation. Yes. Thank you. Happy? Si
Happy
baby
birthday,
happy?
man. Nakaka-surprise naman. Surprise. Parang kami na-surprise. Iyak ako.
Nakakatuwa naman.
Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa naman, mother.
Saan ka lang picture ba yung sumo ka?
Ay, thank you po.
Ang tabi ko po na natin yung cake.
Apo, thank you po. Mother, ilang taon ka na, mother?
59.
Ano ka na, mother?
60 years old na next year.
Akala ko mas bata ka ng 3 years kay mama.
Senior.
2 years lang. Ay, 1 year lang agad.
Lang na.
Ay, 1 year lang pala.
Hungry, Mama.
Ay, you're hungry. You eat na. You eat rice first.
Ilagay mo nga dyan muna.
Itabi mo lang ito. Natasama kami. Diyan ko
Plain rice lang. Ay, ito sa akin. Wala. Rice na. Ito.
meron pa.
Ay, mga rice.
Kay Elisa.
Si Bebe, sila nag-live. Baka kasi hindi sa kasi hindi nag-provide.
Birthday, Lola.
You say happy birthday, Lola. Say happy birthday, Lola Merly.
Birthday, Lola.